Alright guys, so I'm here replacing the old standard hose clamps with these new, or new to me at least, constant torque hose clamps for the Radiator on the 80 series Land Cruiser. And I have a tech tip because this one took me way too long to get going. So we have the old style hose clamp like this. These are a little bit easier to get started. Kind of hard here with one hand to show you, but get the focus. So these ones are a little bit easy to get started. You can see I already got it kind of started. But the newer or better style constant torque ones were giving me a little bit more pain. So I'll show you the little trick that I did to do that. Let me just move the camera over there. All right, so the little tech tip is to take these when you undo them, pop it loose. You can see that this tip here is kind of flat. So to help it grab when you're pushing it in, it's a little hard to get that to line up just right. So focus on there. So what we're gonna do is just hold it open a little bit, bend it just a hair on the tip. So you can see just a little bit of bend on that one. And we'll do it maybe one or two more little tiny bends. So you can see, get her to focus. Even that little tiny bit of bend right there will help. We'll maybe do a little bit more though. Okay, that looks about right. Get her to focus again. So now let's see if I can do this one-handed. See if my trip is actually worth it. Got it to bite on the first time. So hope that helps. Have a good one. One more tech tip for you for these FZJ80 Land Cruisers. This one right here, that hose clamp, that is missing, that I'm going to replace. And the one on the lower radiator hose, connection to the radiator. So right under there, kind of see my finger. Focus. Those are the two slightly larger ones. So hope that helps.